Today we have a patient from Somalia. He came to Glojas with the male pattern hair loss 4A, 4 anterior. That means there's no more hairline. The hair have receded over the 7 years and to the mid scalp. Therefore, it's called the male pattern hair loss 4 anterior.
The first day when I arrived, the nurses and the receptionists were very welcoming, and I really appreciate the overall management of the clinic, and overall the procedure went well. So I went in the evening not feeling any pain, and I have to say thank you very much all of you, and continue and keep up the good work. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Glojas.
Mahasing means thank you in Somalia.